Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the skeletal system and the muscular system. The skeletal system is also known as osteology. The osteo means the bones and logy means the study. The osteology it means the study of skeletal system or the study of bones. In the skeletal system we study the bones and the cartilage. The bone tissue make up about 18% of the total human body weight. The skeletal system makes a support and protect the body which giving it shape and forms. The skeletal system composed of bones, cartilage, joints and the ligaments. The functions of the skeletal system. The first function of the skeletal system is support. It means the framework that support the soft organ of the body. Then second function is the protection. The surrounds organ such as the brain and the spinal cords. Then the movement, it allow for the muscle attachment, therefore the bones are used as the levers. Then the storage, the mineral and lipids are stored within the bone material. Then the blood cell formation. In the bone marrow is responsible for the production of the blood cells, that is RBCs. The human skeleton contains 206 bones. The bone of the skeletal are grouped into two principal divisions, that is axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. Axial skeletal consists skull bones, then hide bones, ribs, sternum, bone of vertebral column. Then ear bone also is the part of axial skeleton. Then the appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton consists of bone of the upper and the lower limbs, pulse of the bones forming the gridlets that connect the limbs to the outer skeleton. Then the classification of the bone on the basis of shape. The bones are classified according to the shape, that is long bones, short bones, flat bones, irregular bones and the sesamoid bones. The examples of long bones are femur, tibula, fibula, humor and ulna. Example of short bones are tarsal and the carpal. Example of flat bones are conical, sternum, ribs and the scapula. The irregular bones are hip bone and some facial bone. Then sesamoid bone are foot and hand bone. The axial skeletal consists of skull, vertebral column, thoracic cage and the sternum. Then we will discuss about the muscular system. The muscular system is a complex collection of the tissues, each with the different purpose. The understanding the component of the muscular system, including the various type of connective tissue, is a good way to understand how bodies and physical movement work. The function of muscular system are body movement, maintenance of the posture, then respiration, that is diaphragm and intercostal contractions, then communication, verbal and the facial, then constriction of the organ and the vessels, heartbeat, production of the body heat. These are the functions of muscular system. Then we see the properties of muscles, that is contractility, extensibility, elasticity and the existability. The existability means capacity of muscle to respond to a stimulus. Then contractility, the ability of muscle to shorten and generate the pulling force. Then elasticity, ability of the muscle to recoil to original resting length after the stretch. Then type of muscle, the muscles are in the consist of three types, that is skeletal muscle, smooth muscle and the cardiac muscle. The skeletal muscle structure, it is composed of muscle cell, that is fibers, the connective tissue, blood vessels, nerves. The fibers are long, cylindrical and multinucleated, tend to the smaller diameter in a small muscle and large in large muscle, that is 1 millimeter to 4 centimeter in the length, develop from the myoblasts, that is pneumas remain constant and straighted appearance. Nuclei are peripherally located.